Imagine a moment so profound it could rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe. A moment where the very fabric of reality seems to quiver, revealing secrets we weren't ready to face. Right now, as you're watching this, a quantum AI system has uncovered something deeply unsettling in a grainy image sent back by Voyager 1, humanity's farthest-reaching explorer. This isn't just another blip in the data or a glitch from a spacecraft launched in the era of bell-bottoms and disco. No, this discovery is shaking the foundations of physics, challenging our understanding of space, and maybe even hinting at something far more extraordinary, something that could change how we see our place in the cosmos forever. What did this AI find in that image? Why is it so alarming? And why are whispers of this breakthrough only now starting to leak out? Buckle up, because what you're about to hear is going to blow your mind. Let's set the stage. Voyager 1, a relic of human ingenuity, has been soaring through the void since 1977. It's a time capsule from an era when the internet was a distant dream and Star Wars was just hitting theaters. This one-ton spacecraft, powered by decaying plutonium, has traveled over 15 billion miles, farther than anything we've ever built. It's so distant that its faint signals take nearly a day to reach us, each one weaker than a whisper. Yet somehow it's still talking, still sending back data from the edge of our solar system and beyond. In 2012, it crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence fades and interstellar space begins. That's when things got weird. Scientists, curious about what secrets Voyager's aging instruments might still hold, decided to reanalyze decades of its data using a cutting-edge quantum AI system. This wasn't your average computer, built to spot patterns no human or traditional machine could see. It uses quantum computing to process information at mind-bending speeds, uncovering correlations buried in the noise. What it found in those old images wasn't just unexpected, it was downright eerie. Picture this: a series of images from Voyager 1, snapped between 2012 and 2015, as it drifted through the vast emptiness beyond our solar system. To the naked eye, they looked like nothing special, just the usual grainy shots of cosmic darkness. But when the quantum AI dug deeper, it spotted something impossible. A faint, geometric structure, almost like a lattice or grid, appeared in the data. This wasn't a random smudge or a glitch. The AI, cross-referencing multiple frames, revealed a pattern that seemed to shift and move in ways that defy everything we know about physics. Stranger still, this structure didn't behave like anything in space should. It seemed to stay fixed relative to Voyager itself, as if it was somehow tethered to the spacecraft, following it through the void. Scientists double-checked everything: sensor errors, data corruption, transmission noise, but the anomaly held up. It was real, consistent, across different instruments, and unlike anything ever seen before. Now let's pause for a second. If this is making your jaw drop, you're not alone. This discovery is the kind you read about in science fiction novels, not in NASA reports, but it gets wilder. The structure's complexity wasn't just random. It showed a level of order that's statistically impossible to occur naturally. We're talking about patterns so precise they'd make a mathematician weep. And here's the kicker. When Voyager's instruments scanned the area, the structure seemed to react, subtly changing its shape and alignment in response to the scans. When the scans stopped, it settled back into its original form. It's almost as if it knew it was being watched. This behavior echoes something called the observer effect in quantum physics, where observing a particle changes its state. But that's supposed to happen at subatomic scales, not with something potentially spanning kilometers in deep space. Scientists were flawed. Was this a glitch in Voyager's 1970s tech, a cosmic mirage, or something far stranger? To understand why this is so earth-shattering, we need to talk about Voyager itself. Launched on September 5th, 1977, it was designed to explore Jupiter and Saturn, taking advantage of a rare planetary alignment that happens once every 176 years. It gave us our first close-up views of Jupiter's swirling storms and Saturn's majestic rings. But its mission didn't end there. After slingshotting past the gas giants, Voyager kept going, hurtling toward the unknown. Today, it's traveling at 38,000 miles per hour through interstellar space, carrying a golden record, a message to any intelligent life that might find it. This 12-inch disk holds sounds of Earth, whale songs, human laughter, music from Beethoven to Chuck Berry, and greetings in 55 languages. It's our cosmic postcard, a snapshot of who we are. Voyager's power will run out soon, maybe by 2026, but it'll keep drifting. A silent ambassador for humanity, potentially for billions of years. In 40,000 years, it'll pass within a light year of a distant star. Against this backdrop, a tiny probe carrying humanity's hopes, this discovery feels like destiny. So what is this mysterious structure? One theory, grounded in cutting-edge physics, is mind-boggling yet plausible. Some scientists think it could be a glimpse of quantum foam, the theoretical bubbling of space-time itself at the smallest scales. Quantum foam is a concept from quantum gravity, where space-time isn't smooth but roils with tiny fluctuations, wormholes, mini black holes, and dimensional ripples. The catch: these fluctuations should only exist at the Planck scale, about a billionth of a trillionth of a meter, far too small to detect with any technology we have. Yet somehow, this AI-enhanced image seems to show something like it on a massive scale. One physicist suggested that interstellar space, free from the sun's magnetic interference, might amplify quantum effects in ways we never imagined. The heliopause, where Voyager crossed into the cosmic deep end, could be a boundary where physics itself starts to bend, revealing phenomena we thought were impossible. If true, this could be the first observational evidence of quantum gravity, the holy grail that unites Einstein's relativity with quantum mechanics. It's the kind of discovery that could unlock secrets to the universe's birth, and maybe even new technologies we can't yet dream of. But there's another possibility, one that's harder to swallow. What if this isn't a natural phenomenon at all? When the AI analyzed the structure's movements, it found something chilling. The geometric patterns weren't just random. They contained mathematical sequences, specifically prime numbers and Fibonacci ratios, woven into the structure's nodes and timing. These are the kinds of patterns we associate with intelligence, not cosmic accidents. The odds of them forming by chance are less than 1 in a trillion. Scientists ran the numbers again and again, but the results held. The structure wasn't just ordered. It seemed to carry information, like a signal encoded in the fabric of space. Even more unsettling, these patterns only appeared after Voyager crossed the heliopause, as if something had been waiting for it to step over the threshold. One researcher put it bluntly: it's like Voyager tripped an alarm. Now let's dive into the deep end. The pattern's resemblance to parts of Voyager's golden record is what's keeping scientists up at night. The record includes prime numbers to establish a universal mathematical language for any alien intelligence that might find it. The anomaly sequences mirror these exactly, as if something read our message and decided to reply. This has sparked three wild theories. The first, called the cosmic filter theory, suggests Voyager stumbled into some kind of interstellar boundary, a checkpoint that detects objects crossing between star systems. The mathematical patterns could be an automated response, like a cosmic "who goes there?" This idea ties into the Fermi paradox, the question of why we haven't seen signs of alien civilizations despite the universe's size. Maybe space is monitored in ways we never considered. The second theory is weirder. It proposes that Voyager's journey into interstellar space, carrying humanity's consciousness via the Golden Record, has triggered a response from the universe itself. Some physicists flirt with the idea that consciousness and quantum mechanics are linked, and Voyager's crossing could have disturbed the quantum fabric of reality, manifesting this strange structure. It sounds out there, but quantum theory has surprised us before. The third theory is the one that sends shivers down spines. Contact. What if Voyager has caught the attention of something else? The patterns could be a deliberate signal, a marker, or even a greeting from an intelligence we can't comprehend. If true, this would be humanity's first brush with non-human life, not with a handshake, but through a cryptic mathematical dance, billions of miles away. Let's zoom out for a moment. Voyager 1 is so far away that if the sun were a grain of sand, the spacecraft would be 4 miles distant, and the nearest star would still be 100 miles away. It's operating in a realm we've only theorized about, a place where the rules of physics might not be what we expect. The distances are staggering, the isolation profound. Yet this tiny probe, with its 1970s tech and its golden record of human voices, may have stumbled onto something that changes everything. If this is quantum foam, it could revolutionize physics, opening doors to technologies like vacuum energy or faster-than-light travel. If it's higher dimensions, it could confirm string theory, revealing a universe with more layers than we ever imagined. And if it's a signal, well, that's the kind of thing that makes you question everything. Are we alone? Have we ever been? The scientific community is buzzing, but caution reigns. NASA hasn't officially confirmed this, saying only that Voyager data analysis is ongoing. Still, whispers from insiders and preprints submitted to journals suggest something big is brewing. A team of physicists, mathematicians, and astrobiologists is working in secret, analyzing every byte of data. They're even reprogramming Voyager 2, which is on a different path through interstellar space, to see if it picks up the same anomaly. If it does, it'll rule out a fluke and cement this as a real phenomenon. The quantum AI is still crunching numbers, looking for more clues. Every day, Voyager drifts another 1,000,000 miles into the unknown, and we're learning just a little more about what might be out there. This discovery, whatever it is, feels like a turning point. It's a reminder that the universe is vast, strange, and full of surprises. Whether it's a glimpse of quantum reality, a shadow of hidden dimensions, or a whisper from something else, it's forcing us to rethink what's possible. Imagine the implications. New physics that could power humanity's future, proof that reality is more complex than we dreamed, or the realization that we're not alone. Each possibility is a spark that could ignite a new era of exploration and understanding. If this has you staring at the stars, wondering what's next, you're in the right place. The universe is whispering its secrets, and Voyager 1, our lonely messenger, might just have caught one. What does this mean for us? For science? For the future? The answers are out there, waiting. Picture Voyager, drifting silently, carrying our songs and dreams into the cosmic ocean. Now imagine it's found something, or someone, looking back. What would you say to them? What questions burn in your heart? The universe is stranger than we can imagine, but it's starting to talk. Are we ready to listen? Keep looking up, keep wondering, because the next chapter of this story might just change everything. The universe just threw us a curveball so wild, it's making scientists question everything they thought they knew. A quantum AI, sifting through the ancient data of Voyager 1, has stumbled upon something so bizarre, so utterly mind-bending, that it's sending shockwaves through the scientific community. This isn't just another space oddity, it's a discovery that could rip apart our understanding of reality itself. Hidden in a single image from humanity's farthest traveler, something looms that defies logic, challenges physics, and maybe even whispers of something far beyond our comprehension. What's got everyone on edge? Why is this image causing such a stir? And what secrets has Voyager 1 been carrying all these years, unnoticed until now? Get ready, because this is about to take you on a cosmic roller coaster that'll leave you questioning everything. Voyager 1, that scrappy little probe, launched when floppy disks were cutting edge, is now over 15 billion miles away. Drifting through the uncharted waters of interstellar space, it's a marvel it's still kicking, its faint signals taking nearly 22 hours to ping back to Earth. But what it's just revealed is nothing short of staggering. Scientists recently unleashed a next-gen quantum AI, powered by algorithms that can spot patterns in data like a bloodhound sniffing out a trail. This AI wasn't just crunching numbers, it was designed to see the unseen, to peel back layers of cosmic noise and find what no human eye could. When it turned its gaze on Voyager's old images, it flagged something in a snapshot from 2023, right as the probe was sailing deeper into the void. At first, it looked like nothing, just a smear of pixels in the endless dark. But the AI kept digging, and what it uncovered was a game changer. The image revealed a structure, faint but unmistakable, that looked like a shimmering web of light, pulsing with a rhythm that didn't match anything in our textbooks. This wasn't a star, a nebula, or some random space rock. It was geometric, almost crystalline, with angles and symmetries that seemed to hum with purpose. The AI ran thousands of simulations, ruling out every mundane explanation. Cosmic rays, lens flares, you name it. The structure was real, and it was moving in ways that broke every rule. It didn't drift like a cloud or spin like a planet. Instead, it seemed to ripple, as if it were alive, adjusting its form with every tick of Voyager's clock. Scientists were stunned. One called it a cosmic heartbeat, a pattern so deliberate it felt like the universe was trying to say something. What makes this discovery so jaw-dropping is how it challenges everything we thought we knew about space. The structure's behavior suggests it might be interacting with Voyager itself, like a shadow that shifts when you turn on a light. When the probe's sensors sweep the area, the web seems to flicker, rearranging its nodes in sync with the scans. When the sensors go quiet, it stabilizes, holding its shape like a statue. This isn't just weird, it's revolutionary. It hints at a phenomenon tied to the very fabric of space-time, something that could rewrite the laws governing the cosmos. One theory gaining traction is that this could be a manifestation of dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's expansion. Dark energy is a cosmic enigma, making up nearly 70% of everything, yet we know almost nothing about it. Could Voyager have stumbled into a pocket where dark energy becomes visible, weaving itself into patterns we can actually see? If so, this is the first time we've caught a glimpse of the universe's hidden engine. But the plot thickens. The AI didn't just find a pretty picture. It uncovered something embedded in the structure's rhythm. Mathematical sequences, clear as day, pulsing through the web like a code. These weren't random numbers. They followed patterns tied to the golden ratio, the kind of math that shows up in everything from seashells to galaxies. Even more shocking, the sequences seemed to evolve, growing more complex the longer Voyager observed. It's as if the structure was learning, adapting to the probe's presence. Scientists ran probability models and the results were staggering. The chance of this happening by accident is less than 1 in a quadrillion. This wasn't just order, it was intelligence, or something mimicking it so closely it's impossible to tell the difference. One researcher, barely containing their excitement, said it felt like decoding a message from the stars. Now let's get speculative, because this is where things go from wild to downright cosmic. Some scientists are whispering about the possibility that this web isn't a natural phenomenon at all. What if it's a relic, a remnant of something built by a civilization so advanced it makes our tech look like cave paintings? The idea isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. In 2024, breakthroughs in exoplanet studies revealed hints of megastructures around distant stars, patterns that couldn't be explained by natural processes. Could Voyager have stumbled into something similar? A cosmic artifact left behind by beings who mastered the laws of physics? The web's responsiveness, its coded pulses, feel like the work of a mind or a machine designed to watch and wait. And here's the eerie part. It only showed up when Voyager crossed a specific point in interstellar space, about 150 astronomical units from the Sun. It's like stepping into a room and hearing a door click shut behind you. Another theory is even more out there, but it's gaining ground. What if this structure is a window into a parallel universe? Quantum physics has long toyed with the idea of a multiverse, where countless realities exist side by side, separated by barriers we can't cross. But what if those barriers thin out in interstellar space, where the noise of stars and planets fades away? The web could be a bleed-through, a place where our universe brushes against another, creating patterns that shimmer with the logic of a different reality. The golden ratio sequences might be a universal constant, a thread that ties all realities together, showing up here as a kind of cosmic graffiti. If this holds water, Voyager 1 isn't just exploring space. It's knocking on the door of existence itself. The emotional weight of this hits hard. Think about it. Voyager 1 is humanity's outstretched hand, carrying a golden record etched with our voices, our music, our dreams. It's a message in a bottle tossed into the cosmic sea, hoping someone, somewhere might find it. Now, imagine that bottle washing up on a shore and something answering back. The idea that this tiny probe, built with 1970s tech, could uncover a truth so vast is humbling. It's a reminder of how small we are, yet how audacious our curiosity is. Scientists are poring over the data, hearts racing, knowing they might be on the cusp of something that changes humanity forever. One described the moment they saw the AC's results. It was like the universe looked back at us and blinked. The stakes couldn't be higher. If this is dark energy, we could unlock the secrets of the universe's fate, whether it'll expand forever or collapse in a cosmic crunch. If it's an artifact, we're staring at proof that we're not alone, that someone else has left their mark on the stars. And if it's a multiversal phenomenon, we're glimpsing the edges of reality itself, a frontier no sci-fi writer could dream up. NASA's keeping things quiet for now, but the buzz is undeniable. Teams are working around the clock, tweaking Voyager's last gasps of power to gather more data. They're even eyeing other probes, like New Horizons, to see if they can catch a glimpse of something similar. The quantum AI is running non-stop, churning through petabytes of information, hunting for the next clue. This discovery is a spark in the dark, a moment that could ignite a new age of wonder. It's not just about science. It's about who we are, what we're capable of, and what lies beyond the horizon. Voyager 1, our lonely pioneer, is out there right now, drifting through a sea of stars, carrying our hopes into the unknown. What it's found might be a key, a warning, or an invitation. The universe is vast, strange, and full of secrets, and we're just starting to listen. What would it mean to know we're part of something bigger? To find a pattern that connects us to the cosmos in ways we never imagined? The answers are out there, pulsing in the dark, waiting for us to be brave enough to see them. Keep your eyes on the skies, because this story is only beginning, and it's going to change everything. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of space. Your support makes it possible to continue sharing the marvels of the universe with the world. We can keep exploring the stars and uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.